My neighbor bakes a pie the whole street queues for. So when my granddaughter spots an ad that is plainly winning, why must she wait 3 weeks for an agency to make her own version? She briefs an agency and waits weeks just to get one video back. Then come the revisions, back and forth and back again. And by the time it ships, the moment has passed. But now, with Quickads' award-winning technology, let's say she likes this ad. All she does is upload her product picture, character reference, and brand guidelines. Within minutes, Quickads makes a similar ad. Similar format, pacing, your voice. Ready for testing in minutes. Not just that, she can set this as a template and use it for different products or test characters and hooks. Borrow the recipe, never the pie.